All right, y'all. So, a new challenge here. Let's see how it goes. We're going to grow my options account from 165 to $10,000, okay? I'm not going to start, like I said, I'm doing Amazon today from in like an hour 1 to 5. I think I still can because the strategy, if you saw the video I posted yesterday, well, posted today. Today's Tuesday, May 13th, but this video will be posted on Wednesday. Um, I'm gonna try to just since I'm gonna do Amazon, try to buy just a $20 call, a $20 put, and see if I can just still be profitable with that. It might be small gains, like one might go 300% and make 60, then we lose 20, but we make 40. I'm gonna see if I can do that because that I can just pull over on the side of the road, buy two options wherever I'm at without having to chart, you know. So I'm probably gonna start that on Friday though. So not, I'm just gonna. I'm enjoying this little break actually. Like I didn't even go to the gym this morning. I definitely need to go tonight though. I can't skip the gym, but it's been nice just relaxing. So today again we went up. So if we did about a call at the end of the day, it wasn't as big of a jump as yesterday, the weekend, but we did get a little jump here, and then we've been pushing up all day. So if you did want to hold your call all day, you know, you literally could have. Let's see, was it like a clear hold? Yeah, it was like 9:30. Yeah, that's why he said he doesn't sell till like 10:30, 11, I guess, for this little extra jump right here. Like I said, I would get on at 10. I probably would have sold at 10. It's still going up, but like, I want to sell at like 10. Let 9:30 do its thing. 'Cause like I said, even when I traded reversals, I traded the 10 a.m. reversal. So I think if it does reverse, it will attend and we should get a good move up or down. And or if we go down first, at 9:30, then at 10 we should push up so I can still know to hold or sell. So I think I'm gonna do 10 instead of 10:30 to 11 like he said. But yeah, so it'd have been a call on Friday and a call yesterday. We would have been up. I want to still keep watching. I think it's calls the whole entire week. I don't have my mouse on me, which is annoying. I only have my laptop. So I think it's calls. That's why the 4 hour chart, 24-hour chart. I think it's calls to this high up here, or at least to the seek and destroy zone here. I just don't want to get in calls on a day and then we have a down day. So I'm trying to see if the weekly will help me with that, but it's not really helping with that. The 4 hour is kind of helping with that, but I thought we would come back in this gap. Oh, we did at 9:30. So I don't know. I think you can just get calls the rest of the week and or Wednesday. If it's a down weekly candle, Wednesday would be the high of the week, and then we go down Thursday, Friday. So, you know, that might be the strategy. We know, like, if you trade ICT, Monday, Tuesday, we trade the same direction. Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday, we sort of change the other direction if you do the power of three. So, we'll see. But so far, it's been calls, calls, calls. I think we can continue to do calls, and then we'll just see what next week. Because this has been a clean week, and then watch it when I get in next week, where it's not the same. Like we'll open lower on a Tuesday, then open higher on Monday, whatever. So that's why I said I'm just gonna buy both options, and hopefully one goes significantly percentage wise that it makes up for the loss of the other one. And if not, if it's still just a tiny gain, it's still a win. If they both lose, then we'll address that when it comes. So yeah, I'm not gonna even try to fix my Thinkorswim account. It's so annoying. They're both personal at this point until I have 250 in assets again. So I'm just gonna stick with this. I know how to trade on Robinhood. I was trying to set the take profits, but like I said, I'm just gonna get up at 10 and I'm gonna close. So, but I would have liked to have like a take profit sometimes. Sometimes like Monday, the take profit. Okay, no, it was this one. But my original take profit on the 4 hour would have been this one versus this one. But I would like to have it at this take profit and have it closed there. But maybe I can just set an alert on TradingView actually. So like the next one, I'll just set an alert here, and then I'll be looking at Robinhood. So we'll see. Obviously, Thinkorswim, I'd like to actually have the take profits on there. So we'll just see. They keep being annoying with Thinkorswim. I keep trying to set trades my $80 account, and they're like, no. So I guess we'll just, like I said, we'll just try Robinhood, and we'll go from there. I don't know. Maybe I should try Thinkorswim though. Thinkorswim is a little better. Maybe I'll move this to Thinkorswim, this 165. We'll see. But this is already in there. So I think I will just do Robinhood. I think I will just do Robinhood and call it a day. So we'll see. I'm gonna start Friday. So I'll buy the options Friday, and then on Monday morning I'll do a recap like this on what the option closed as, like what the profit closed as. And I'll tell you the option I bought. I'm not gonna do the Friday when I select it, but I'm gonna do, boom, bought this Monday, we closed in profit. So let's see how that goes, and yeah, it's gonna be great.